it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we will be making a necklace with the SoftFlex design kit from Gingerbread. We will be using SoftFlex in garnet color, this adorable ceramic gingerbread, a lobster claw, silver 2x2s, this gorgeous strand of check glass, and then these brown ceramic beads. So we're going to open up our beads. Put those off to the side. Open up this beautiful check glass. Just love the colors. Very fall, but then it also reminds me of the gingerbread colors. It's got a little bit of yellow in it or green. And then when you move it, it kind of turns more orange. Beautiful. We're going to cut about 20 inches of our SoftFlex wire. Beautiful color with the garnet. This kit was amazing. And I will go ahead and leave a link down below for this kit if it is still available. I'll also leave a link down in the description box for my unboxing video of this beautiful kit. So we're going to string on our gingerbread. Then we're going to put on one check glass bead on each side. I think the colors are just beautiful. It's that little pop of sparkle. We're going to add our ceramic beads, one on each side. And I like the ceramic beads being the size that they are. I believe they're a 10 or 12 millimeter. Look how perfect that fits. It just nestles right inside the ceramic bead. But the ceramic beads being as big as they are, they do have a fairly large hole on them. So you can put them through some leather or cord, macrame. It's small enough to go through, but they're extremely lightweight. So even though it does kind of make more of a bigger necklace, like that statement necklace, it's just beautiful and very lightweight. So just going to put on our check glass, or our ceramic beads, our Peruvian ceramic beads, and then that check glass. So I've been loving all of the check glass and all the new goodies that have been on SoftFlexCompany.com. From like the little charms that they have, and then all, of course, the design kits. The last Wednesday of every month, that's the new launch date for the new kit, and then you get to see everybody's design on their Facebook page. How beautiful. That little bit of just that neutral tones, but that bit of sparkle as well. And then a couple little check glass left over on our last of our check glass. It's got the sparkle. And what we're going to do is make sure that our little gingerbread focal here is as even as it can be on the SoftFlex wire. Because I really want the wire to show and let that beautiful color show as well. So we're going to take out 4 of our tubes. Let's see. When you try to get a certain number out, always not enough comes out or too much. There's really no in between. And we're going to take, oh, we could even add some little sparkle going up like an illusion necklace. That might be fun. Let's see. So first we're going to make this stationary so it's not going to move on the SoftFlex. So we're just going to slide it down. I like that idea to give like a little floating necklace to this. So we're going to go and smash it. And we're just going to rotate and squeeze down. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. It's a good thing that we stopped on the check glass. That way it's not going to go over the bead. If we would have ended on the ceramic bead, since the hole is larger, it would go right over it. And if you were using all the large hole beads, you might want to put a smaller bead just to give it a little stopper. We're going to make sure that our check glass kind of nestles in between the bigger beads. And then we're just going to smash and rotate. So we have our necklace. My original thought, so pretty, my original thought was to just add your clasp at the end and let the SoftFlex show. But let's see, we do have 8 of these left. So, and they do give us 20 of these in our kits. So what we could do is just add some extras up along the back and just kind of give it that floating design. That's pretty. I think we'll do that. So we're just kind of a little bit hard here because we have to measure. Or if you have like a Sharpie marker, you can do a little dot so you know where you have to slide on your beads to. If it's a little bit asymmetrical, that's okay. So just going to slide that on, rotate, just slide on one of our check glass. Oh, that's so pretty. And the check glass, when it gets to that lighter color of the yellow and the ambers, you can kind of see that garnet color sticking through. And we're going to have a little illusion style necklace. So we're definitely going to need some more of these out. We might just use all of them. So then we're going to have to match on this side as close as we can. So let's put them together. That's pretty. Very, very pretty. And then we're going to add on another bead. Give it some space. I think before we add that bead on, the next one, we will just go ahead and even this out. That way we can just slide the beads on. Makes it a little bit easier. I love illusion style necklaces. They're really pretty when you have sweaters, and you can make them as long as you want, like an opera length or, 28 to 30, 32 inches, whatever you prefer. And they just go right over the sweater, and they really make a statement, especially when the SoftFlex wire shows, because it just adds, I feel, to your outfit, and it just really gives it that color. And then we're going to just add a few more. I think once you do a few of these, you kind of just get an idea and you can eyeball where you would like to put your next bead on. So we're going to make sure that one's closed, a little bit loose. And then we're just going to go ahead and close. Add that next one. I think I'm going to be making a lot more of these style necklaces. We have a little bit of a design decision to make. We have 2 left. We could leave them right here and then attach the clasp, or just give it a little bit more space and attach the clasp. I think I'll still follow this design pattern here. So we're going to add on our last 2 check clasp beads. Almost done with our necklace. We're going to add on our last check glass. Even it up. Make sure it's even. and round. And our last bead. And then slide on 2 by 2 and close. So now we're going to go ahead and add on the clasp. So we want to make sure we have a little bit of spacing for this clasp. So kind of maybe the same length that we followed here. And we're going to add on our lobster claw. And we're just going to pass back through our 2 by 2. And leave as much space as you would like. And then also give a little bit of wiggle room. So you want your clasp. I'm using the lobster claw from the kit, but whatever clasp you have, magnetic or toggle, you just want that little bit of wiggle room on there. And then we're just going to give it a smash and round it. Then we're going to take our nippers and just trim off our little tail, but make sure that we don't cut our wire for the necklace. And then this is long enough to make an earring or a dangle, so make sure you save any leftover SoftFlex. And now we're going to do the same thing and make sure that we have a little bit of a loop and it's somewhat even. We can go ahead and attach a jump ring if we wanted to, or we could add our lobster claw directly to the clasp. So let's see, a little bit shorter. Like this. And then we're going to do the same thing. Just give it a smash and rotate. And then we're just going to trim off our tail. And attach our clasp. And it'll just attach right to the back. And we have our beautiful gingerbread necklace from the Mystery Design Kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for further content, tutorials, and unboxings. Have a wonderful day.